Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about coping with holiday anxiety and stress. So the holidays can be a really stressful time for some people. I know I fall into that category. I tend to feel like I'm losing my mind over the holidays sometimes. Like I feel anxious, I feel stressed, especially being a single parent. I just feel like I have to do everything on my own and it can be really, really overwhelming. Another reason the holidays can be difficult for people is that we tend to experience an increase in SAD or seasonal affective disorder. It tends to go up due to the days being shorter. And my next video is going to be about SAD, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that one, because that's actually going to be the next video that I release. And we have added financial stress, time management, having to host the party, having to bake the cookies, having to do all the shopping. Sometimes people really struggle around the holidays because they lost someone around the holidays, and this time reminds them of the person that they lost and they might feel grief. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 tips to handle holiday stress. My first tip is to make a list. Make a list of everything it is that you need to do and when it needs to be done by. Because sometimes when we leave things in our head, it can feel even more overwhelming, and then it can also be more likely that we're going to forget to do certain things. So making a list can really help with that. It really helps kind of paint the picture of everything that we need to do and then when we need to have it done by. And make sure that you prioritize this list. Have things that you need to do sooner and then things that you can kind of put off for a little while. Number 2 is to remind yourself that you are one person. And if you can't do it all, that's okay, because none of us can. Give yourself permission to do what it is that you can do and set a boundary with yourself if you're starting to feel overwhelmed. Because I promise that the people that love you are not going to notice if you didn't make that 3rd pie or that 4th batch of cookies. The 3rd tip, if you're noticing a decline in your mental health, pull out your journal. You could journal about what exactly is stressing you out and why. You could journal about past holidays and how that might be influencing this holiday season. What is it about the holidays that is so difficult for you? Journaling is such a powerful act of self-care. It can really help you sort through your feelings, work through your emotions, and validate your experiences. So if you feel like you're struggling, set aside 15 to 20 minutes a day and journal about it. Number 4 is to stick to your budget. The holidays are not worth going into debt over. In fact, all that's going to do is add more stress going into the new year. So make sure that you set a budget that you can work with and stay within that budget. Number 5 is to reach out to others. Sometimes people can feel really lonely during the holidays. This is especially true if your family lives far away, and definitely think it's going to be an issue with this year with COVID-19 and all of the social distancing policies. Feeling lonely can often make us feel like we want to isolate. And in the long run, all that's going to do is make our feelings of loneliness worse. So find a way to reach out to people. It can be as basic or as simple as giving someone a phone call or doing FaceTime, something. However you normally connect, make sure that you're taking time to reach out and connect to your supports. Well, that's going to be all for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, as always, leave them below and I will get back to you. Have a happy holiday.